My name is Leah Davies, and I'm the owner of Revolution Dance Factory. I opened Revolution Dance Factory in September of 2016. I've been teaching in Washington for about 12 years, working at different studios all around the East Side. And I never really thought I would open my own dance studio, but after seeing so many studios and the love that I have for all the kids, one day I just thought about piecing it all together and opening my own studio with the hope that it would be a home for everybody. Felt like a lot of kids are getting burnt out, and there's these requirements for them to dance five days a week or even 4 days a week, and they're getting burnt out. And I really wanted to create a studio that could give training, but also in a short amount of time so that kids could do multiple activities. There are life lessons involved in being committed to such a performing arts activity, like commitment levels, time management, respect for yourself, respect for others, and self-confidence are kind of the big things that I hope to pass on that I took from dance. The types of dance that we offer here are ballet, tap, jazz, hip hop, contemporary, and acrobatics. We also offer creative movement classes for our 3- and 4-year-olds and a parent taught class for 18 months to 2.5-year-olds. We like to be broad and so that all the kids have a range of activities that they can choose from, and also be able to be diverse in their skill set. If you're only interested in dancing 1 day a week and doing one style like hip hop, we'll give you a great class. And if you want to experience all of it and dance here 3 days a week and try every single genre that we offer, we can help you with that too. So I think we cover a wide range of dancers based on what they are looking to achieve. We do have a competition team that allows kids more performance opportunities in the local communities. We perform locally, and my older advanced dancers go out of state 1 time per year to perform. We also do community events such as the Issaquah Farmers Market, just so the kids can get out in front of their local community, non-dance community, and show their talents. We just opened our new facility this last December. We went from a 1-room studio to a 3-room studio in just 2 years. So the growth we've had has been amazing, but now I think we've created a bigger home that can accommodate more students and a wider range of kids. I absolutely love what I do.